How to add BNB Smart Chain to Metamask. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to add BNB Smart Chain to Metamask. In order to add BNB Smart Chain to Metamask, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Metamask account. When you're logged into your Metamask account, that's going to take you to the home page. So when you're logged into your account, and this is how it's going to look like. So as you can see right on top that I've already added the other network type. In order to add BNB Smart Chain, now press on the one, and then here you need to press on add network. After that, you should be able to locate BNB Smart Chain. If you're unable to find it, so you could also type it manually. So type in BNB Smart Chain, and you have to enter the chain ID symbol, all of that, and click on the add button. It's gonna take a while in order to add or in order to change the network type. Just wait patiently, and then you've successfully added BNB Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.